Hello, I welcome you to my Yoruba language class. In our class today, we will be learning about meals and the common foods. Alright, let's go.
Food, oúnjẹ. Breakfast, oúnjẹ àárọ̀. Lunch, oúnjẹ ọ̀sán. Dinner, oúnjẹ alẹ́. Snacks, ìpanu. Water, omi. Milk, WARA. Beef, ẹran màálù. Chicken, ẹran adìyẹ. Egg, ẹyin. Fish, ẹja. Fruits, èso. Salt, iyọ̀. Vegetable, ẹ̀fọ́. Rice, ìrẹsì. Beans, ẹ̀wà. Peppers, ata. Okra, ilá. Yam, iṣu. Potatoes, ànàmọ́. Vegetable oil, òróró. Palm oil, epo pupa. Alcoholic drink, ọtí líle. Soft drinks, ọtí ẹlẹ́rìndòdò.
We have come to the end of the lecture. We will meet in the next class.